Hello buddies, so I want to use the opportunity to say thank you to all those that have been supporting my page, that have been supporting my work, that have been giving me so much encouragement and appreciating the things that I have been doing on this space. And secondly, to all of you, especially those that will always take out their time to drop comments. Oh my goodness, you all are the best. Like, drop giving engagement to posts or to videos is one of the things that can make Facebook or any other social media like YouTube or any of them to push videos to others, to recommend videos to others. So those among these my 11.6k followers, those of you that take your time to like my videos, to comment on my videos, to share my videos, I am very grateful. I am not saying that I'm not grateful for all that have joined or that are following this page. 11.6k followers and more still coming. But I am very much concerned about those that are always engaging on my videos. You don't just follow somebody and you see what that person is doing and you don't take interest in it. Once you are a follower, once you are a fan of someone, whatever the person is doing should trigger you, should make you to give love, show concern to that particular thing. And that is why I am so glad to say that I'm happy, and I appreciate each and every one of you following me here. I appreciate each and every one of you supporting whatever I am doing here, and believe me, more are yet to come. These things, I'm just doing them free of charge. Like, if you are aiming at starting a business of your own and you are not conversant with this page, you are not doing whatever I am asking you or I have been asking you to do on this space, that means you are just sleeping. That means you are not serious with whatever thing that you are supposed to do, because I am putting in my best to bring out the best recipe for you people. I think there are people that can do this as well, but I take myself to be myself. I try my best possible to make sure that before I bring up a recipe for you all, I must have tried it and prove it, tried and trusted before bringing it out for you guys. So that by the end of the day, by the time you are done trying it and putting it out there, you are sure of getting the best reviews ever. So today I made this 6 kg chin chin. I was supposed to make it for somebody, so I decided to make a clip of it. So it's a random clip anyways, but I believe this will go a long way to helping you. For those asking for commercial chin chin, this is a very spicy chin chin. It's a pepper chin chin and it tastes amazing, and you need just few ingredients to make it. I hope this video helps you, and I hope you love this video. Keep liking, keep commenting, keep sharing, and keep following my channel, my page. Thanks, and see you in the next one.